Hi everyone, let's begin. Variables are something that hold values. For example, var underscore 1 is equal to 2. Now, if we print var underscore 1, it will give us the value 2, which means var underscore 1 is holding value 2. Now, if you want to check the type of variable, there is a function in Python called type from which you can check the type of the variables. I will cover the function concept in the upcoming videos. So you can define as many variables as you want in your code. Here, if we want to print variable 1 plus variable 2, it will give us the output 6, which is 2 plus 4. So variables can hold any types of values. For example, if you want to store a string value, so you can define a variable by typing the name of the variable is equal to and within single quotes write the value of the string. Like for variable 3 is equal to hello and variable 4 is equal to world. Now if you want to print both the strings, both the variables, what you will do is you will write print variable 3 plus variable 4, which is also called concatenation of strings in this case. Variables can also hold boolean values. Now, for boolean values, you do not need to write them inside the single quotes. So, here variable 5 is holding a boolean value false. You can use logical operators with the boolean values. For example, not operator is a logical negation operator that reverses the boolean value of a variable or an expression. So in this case, reverse of false, true is printed. Also, if you check the type of the variable 5, it is the bool, which is boolean value. Apart from not logical operator, there are two more primary logical operators, and or. So and returns true only if both the conditions are true, or returns true if at least one of the condition is true. So in this case, line number 18 will give us the output false and line number 19 will give us the output true. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.